Welcome to this quick guide on changing the WhatsApp app wallpaper on PC with the latest update. If you're looking to personalize your chat and bring a splash of your own style to every conversation, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps clearly so you can get a fresh look in just a few minutes. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and that you're in a chat-ready view so you can see the side menu and the chat area. The new update makes wallpaper changes feel seamless, almost like you're customizing a theme for your entire chat experience. Next, locate the gear icon on the left side menu. This is your gateway to settings and customization options. Click on it to open the settings panel. You'll see a clean, organized list of options designed to be intuitive, so you won't get lost scrolling through menus. From there, enter the chat section. Inside chats, you'll find the wallpaper option. Selecting wallpaper opens up the customization window where you can explore your choices. This is where the real personalization happens, giving you a chance to set a mood that matches your personality or the feel of your conversations. Now it's time to choose your new wallpaper. The update provides a fresh selection of wallpapers to pick from, including solid colors, gradients, and patterns, plus the ability to use your own images. If you want something subtle that doesn't distract from messages, go with a soft gradient or solid tone. If you want a bold look, try a vibrant pattern or a wallpaper image that resonates with you. You can also preview how the wallpaper looks in chat so you know exactly what you'll see when you're typing or reading messages. Once you've picked your wallpaper, confirm your choice. WhatsApp applies the wallpaper to all chats, creating a consistent backdrop that enhances readability and mood. If you decide later that you want to switch again, you can return to the same wallpaper setting and try a different look. It's that simple and fast. That's basically it. Open WhatsApp, go to the gear icon, head into chats, select wallpaper, choose your new wallpaper, and enjoy the refreshed chat atmosphere. Personalization helps make your messages feel more like you, and with the new update, it's easier than ever to tailor the interface to your taste.